Okay, hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss about Quarter 2 Melc 7, Learning Activity Sheet 7A, adding and subtracting polynomials. Pero we are going to just focus on the examples on how to add polynomials. So here, gina-discuss diri kung ang operations is also used in polynomials. Okay, so here, let me just emphasize this to you. In adding polynomials, we should consider the following. Only similar terms can be added. So, kung mag-add kita sang polynomials, ang i-add talang gid those polynomials with the same terms. Meaning to say, parihas ang ilang literal coefficient. So, paano kita mag-add sang polynomial? So, we have to simply combine ang tanan nga may mga parihas ang ilang terms. Anong bull silingon sa similar terms? So, those are polynomials or terms nga same ang ilang literal coefficients. Okay? So, I have mentioned it before sa previous discussion kung ano na siya ang literal coefficients and numerical coefficients. Okay? So, next, to combine similar terms, get the sum of the numerical coefficients and annex the same literal coefficients. So, both silingon, kung mag-combine kita sa similar terms, so i-add ta siya ang numerical coefficients, ang mga number, kag ang similar literal coefficient, i-copy ta lang. The other word for annex. So, i-affix ta lang or i-copy ta lang na siya. Wala ta dala inon. Basta parehas ang literal coefficient, copyhon ta lang na. Dala ang iyang basta siling kita literal coefficient, variable, and also the exponent. Literal coefficient na siya. Okay, and if there is more than one term, for convenience, write similar terms in the same column and add. So, kung for example, damo kita terms nga gina-add, let's say we are adding binomial, so that is 2 terms, or trinomial, that is already 3 terms. So, ang himuon tada is we arrange it by column, ang tanan nga similar ang terms. Okay, so let's have example. So, ari. So, unahon ta ang addition of monomial. So, we are going to add first algebraic expression with one term. Monomials na siya. Okay, so number 1, 14x plus negative 8x. So, ang himuon ta di, i-add ta ang numerical coefficient, ang number, using the rule in addition of signed numbers or addition of integers. I hope you can still remember adding integers. So, when we add integers, just to have a recall about it, so, kung same ang signs ang gina-add ta lang na siya, and then we copy common sign. Pero kung hindi naman same ang signs ang gina-add ta, we subtract and copy the sign of the number with the greater absolute value. Okay, so let's try this. Number 1, 14x plus negative 8x. So, numerical coefficient una, i-add ta. And take note, they have similar literal coefficient. So, pariha sila x. So, pwede ta siya makombine. So, 14 plus negative 8, follow the rules in adding signed numbers or integers. So, they are unlike sign. Hindi parehas ang sign. So, masubtract kita. 14 minus 8. So, we have 6. What should be the sign? It is, of course, positive because we have to copy the sign of the number with the greater absolute value kung hindi sila parihas. Diba? So, the answer here is positive 6, and then copy literal coefficient na parihas, which is x. Okay, so the answer is 6x. Next. So, I hope naintindihan. So, next, number 2, we have negative 12xy plus 25xy. And also plus negative 6xy. As you can see, they are arranged in column nga dapat similar terms nila. xy, xy, xy tanan. So, again, we have to follow the rules in adding signed numbers or adding integers. So, unahon tani ang negative 12, and then 25, and negative 6. So we have already the answer. So i-mentalon-ta lang ni siya. We are going to add it mentally. So negative 12 plus positive 25. So they are unlike signs. So we have to subtract 25 and 12. So the answer, 25 minus 12 is 13. Ang signs ng number nga dako ang absolute value is positive. So therefore, we have positive 13 and then plus negative 6. So positive 13 na ni siya. I-add to sa negative 6. However, they are unlike sign. So they have unlike sign, unlike sign. So therefore, i-subtract siya. 13 minus 6, we get 7. Positive because the sign of the number with the greater absolute value is positive. So therefore, positive sa. So with 7 as a numerical coefficient, place xy as the literal coefficient to complete the answer. Since we already have the answer for the numerical coefficient, so affix na lang ang xy, which is common sa tatlo gid. They are similar. So therefore, thus, the sum of the monomials is 7xy. Okay, so that's it. So, how about if the terms are not similar? So, the monomials cannot be combined. So, kung hindi gani similar ang terms, hindi na siya pwede ma-combine. So, example, 3 and 4. Number 3, we have 2x plus negative 3y. Hindi ta pwede ma-add ang 2x with 3y because they have different terms or different literal coefficients. So, hindi parehas sila literal coefficients. So, we cannot combine them. So, simply, mag-amo ni siya gani ang case. So, copy ta na lang 2x plus negative 3y. So, this is already the answer because we cannot combine it anymore kaya hindi sila similar terms. Another 4. 3a squared plus 5ab squared plus negative 7ab. Plus, take note ha, although they have the same variable, however, ang ila exponent different. So, hindi pwede. Magsiling kita yung literal coefficient or similar literal coefficient. Dapat ang ila variable kag ila exponent parihas. So, if you notice here, ang exponent di sa 3a squared b is 2 sa a. Pero sa 5ab squared, ang may exponent b. Ang a wala. So, sa negative 7ab, wala na sila nga duwa. So, hindi na pwede natin makombine. Kay hindi gidya parihas ilang literal coefficient. Dapat parihas gitsura tanan. Okay? So, since we cannot combine, so of course, we just simply copy it. So, the answer is 3a squared b plus 5ab squared plus negative 7ab. Okay? So, I hope you understand. Okay, next examples. So, this time, adding polynomials. Okay. So, let's have. This time, we have number 1. We are going to add binomials. So, as you can see, we have two terms. So, 3x squared plus 5 times the quantity of 5x squared plus 7. So, here, for our solution, we have to, arrange like terms in the same column. So, as you can see, gin-arrange ta, dapat itupong ta ang mga terms nga parehas. So, we have 3x squared plus 5x squared. And then, plus 5 and then 7 because pareho sila constant term. So, itupong taman sila. So, for our answer, again, we have to follow the rules in adding integers. So, ang answer ta will be, add like terms by adding their coefficients with their signs. So, ang sign ta is pareho nga positive. So, common, so we have to add. So, 3 plus 5 is 8. And then, copy literal coefficients nga parehas, x squared. And we have, for constant term or for the second term, 5 and 7, same sign, positive. So, add, copy common sign, so plus 12. So, that is now the answer. 8x squared plus 12. Okay, so I hope na intindihan. Next, number 2. So, add 7a plus 5b we have also 6a minus 6b plus 3c and negative 5a plus 7b plus 4c. Again, we have to arrange like terms in the same column for our solution. So 7a plus 5b, then 6a minus 6b plus 3c. As you can see, same gina siya ha. And then we also have the last trinomial. We have 5a or negative 5a plus 7b plus 4c. Class, take note. We are adding one binomial and two trinomials. Okay, so 2 pong gina sa similar terms by column. Okay, now, anong himuon? So, we arrange it already in the same column ang parehas terms. For our answer, so of course, we have to add like terms by adding their coefficients with their signs. So, same sign, 7 and 6, so 13. Add na siya. Positive 13 minus 5. Nag-minus na because we are adding unlike signs. So, 13 plus negative 5. Subtract, we get positive 8 kay dako iyang 13. So, i-assign natin kopyahon. So, 8 and then copy A. Next, we have 5 plus negative 6. Unlike sign, subtract. So, 6 minus 5 is negative 1 kay dako ang 6. So, ang absolute value is negative. Okay, so therefore, negative 1 plus 7. So, 7 minus 1. Kaya unlike sign sila, so we have to subtract. So, we have 6. Or positive 6. Bigay ako ang 7. Then, same sign add. So, 3 plus 4, 7. Copy C. Okay, so, again, gina-add na lang numerical coefficient. And then, we copy the same literal coefficients. So, the answer now is 8a plus 6b plus 7c. Okay, so, kabay pa na-intindihan nyo ang simpleng examples. Dua-dua lang man. Pero kabay pa nga makabulig ni siya class sa inyo nga summative test. Since I am not going to let you answer the exercises anymore. Okay, no need na ni siya. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.